How to check your gift card balance on your eBay. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we talk about how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to open your eBay like this, and after this come here to this three line at the top of the screen. Now you have to go and come to settings, and right now you will find like a lot of options on settings. As you see, you will just come here to the fourth option, eBay gift card balance. You will just click on it like I will do right now, and here you will enter your 30-digit redemptions code, and then for example I will add like this code and click check balance, and as you see there was not network because I don't have like this code. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.